Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're taking a look at this one, the 2021 edition of this Lightwand from Sutefoto. And we're going to check out and see how usable it is for creators. Please forgive me that my voice is kind of dull. I'm still recovering from COVID. Here we have the QR code to download the mobile app. Here we have a user guide, the power cord. This is a mini tripod for the Lightwand. And here we have the power adapter. The Lightwand is protected by this practical carrying case. All the functions are printed on the Lightwand and they are completely self-explaining. Time to peel off the plastic wrap. When I ordered the wand on Amazon, I thought it would be much smaller, but yes, it's 25 inches or 64 centimeters tall. It's nice that they included a mini tripod, although it is kind of flimsy and yes, you can use it, but in order to reach the full potential of this Lightwand, you want to mount it on a ball head on a real tripod. What's so special about this Lightwand is that you can change the color temperature steppless from 2800 Kelvin till 10,000 Kelvin, and you can also adjust the intensity of the light completely stepless from a very small comfortable cozy light till super bright. Filmmakers who produce video clips will love the special effects. Here are just a few of them. Pushing HSI, you can completely customize a color and of course the intensity the wand would illuminate. To download the app is super easy, just scan the QR code. Download, install and open the app. And now it's time to turn on our Lightwand. We're giving the app the permission for the location and then we're tapping Add Device. As soon as we're confirming the connection to our Lightwand, we are presented with a menu. This app is self-explaining and it is so well structured that you can easily operate the entire Lightwand without any problems. The name of the app is SS RGB and it allows you not only to customize and operate the Stutefoto TP-25 RGB Lightwand, you can actually combine multiple lights from Stutefoto using this app. The special effects is one of my favorite features. So let's talk about the real-world use cases for this Lightwand. Product photography is definitely one of the strong suits of the TP-25 RGB. By customizing the color and the intensity, you can set the mood for the entire photo shoot. You can use this as an enhancement light for video calls or for entire video productions, and depending on its position it can light out the entire face. The built-in battery gives you the flexibility to work with this wand for hours without the need of plugging it in. Look at this, it's quite a difference without it. In this setup, I use the TP-25 RGB as a rim light to give me some shine from the back. The extra spotlight, I have a little rim light in my background. Hi, this is Dirk. You may recognize me, I'm the 2020. And here is the final result of this setup. Hi everyone, this is Dirk. You may recognize me. Yes, lighting is important for creators. Now that you've seen the review, what are your thoughts on the 2021 edition of this Lightwand from Stutefoto? Is this something you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this and tune in soon again. Bye for now.